That's what Blondie used to do, remember?
No.
No. Just feel free. Should we break out more beers?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Where?
Did you get that? Way.
Where?